Welcome to our new Customer Experience Center here in Radebeul. I'm so happy and proud to present on more than 3,000 square meter latest innovations and developments of Koenig and Bauer. As you all know from media, we have launched a few weeks ago the new dimension in large format, the new Rapida 145 and 164. To give you the chance to learn more about the masterpiece, we hosted a 4-part webinar, Technology Deep Dive, the new dimension in large format. Let me introduce our team today. Jens and Michael are our operators today, and I'm so happy to have Wolfgang Lai on site, head of our demo center.
Hello.
Did you take part on the last session last week? Or if you don't, catch it up. You can watch it at any time on our website. If yes, you remember we finished our second session, Resources and Waste, with an overview for all online and inline quality management systems on our new Rapida 145. Today, we want to continue our deep dive with the topic quality and control. To enable printing companies to answer the higher quality demands and expectations for their customers, all Koenig and Bauer Rapida presses are equipped with a wide portfolio of quality measurement and inspection systems. Your benefits are fastest make-readies, reduced waste, and a constant high quality in print production. In our today's session, let's talk about all opportunities of measuring and inspection systems to make your business more successful. Wolfgang, let's walk through the press.
Let's have a look to the equipment from our Rapida 145 here in our Customer Experience Center. Our press is equipped with a logistics system. We have our Qualitronic feeder. The Qualitronic feeder is with 4 servo motors, and all these motors are synchronized. And all the air settings we do here, we can load from a database from our Ergotronic console. Here you have our Pellet Collector. And on this area, you can see we have inside our rack for non-stop change, for the automatic non-stop change. Then you can see our transport belt on the in-feed system.
Wolfgang,
here.
give me a minute.
Yeah.
What's that? There I can see there's a high-efficient inkjet head. And this is our Qualitronic sheet ident system. And we are able to number every single sheet which is entering the machine with this inkjet head, corresponding to our inspection system.
It's great. And then you can see here our Qualitronic SAS, sensoric in-feed system, where we don't have any side lay here. We have only a sensor to detect every sheet edge. And this information we can give to the first gripper bar, who is moving the sheet in the correct position. Our inking units here, we can engage and disengage up to the need from the production. If you produce only a 1-color job, then we can disengage all the other 6 units, or we can engage everyone if we are production from a 7-color job. If we are passing here our press, you can see here we have on all the places between the units a possibility for interdeck dryer, that we can switch on the dryers if we have production with UV printing or not. Next step is our coating unit. And here on our coating unit, you can see on the right here, Eric, we have sleeve technology. That means we don't have to change a complete analog roller here. We have only a sleeve, and the printer can change it very simple because the sleeve is gliding on an air cushion outside from the press. And the changing time is around about 1 minute and 30 seconds.
And Wolfgang, 1 second. The first coating tower we're usually using for applying some kind of primer.
Yeah.
For later UV spot coating in the second coating tower.
That's correct. And you can see our drying units. And Dirk mentioned it, our second coating unit. Here you can see we are walking through our camera system for quality control. In the middle, the camera is for our Qualitronic color control, and outside the cameras are for our Qualitronic PDF check.
But this point, we will return later and we explain in detail how our measurement system is functioning.
Now we are passing our section for drying. We have here our section for hot air and IR drying. And also we have on the end UV dryers if we production with UV. We have a double pile delivery here. It's the first pile for waste sheets as a sample. You can use it. And then you have the second pile for good sheets.
So, Wolfgang, thank you. What are your daily challenges? You have to respond successfully to the market demands for ever higher print quality and faster turnarounds. Therefore, it's absolutely necessary to reduce the make-ready times and to safeguard constant high quality of each printed sheet. With our measurement systems, we want to support you effectively managing the challenges of the daily printing business and make you even more successful. Because the benefits are obvious, such as massive reduction of waste, the protection of our environment, because of more efficient use of resources like paper, ink, and energy, and also the maximization of profitability of your print activities for more net sheets on the floor. Our Rapida large format machines, presses, offers a broad spectrum of solutions to realize these process benefits precisely. Let's dive deeper into the existing solutions and the existing and exciting topic, and talk about the huge variety of measuring systems and inspection systems for most diverse requirements. We offer solutions for online color control and inspection, and we also offer inline solutions for color control and inspection. And please, Wolfgang, give us more details for all our measurement solutions.
Here on our Ergotronic color control, you have also from the Ergotronic family, our ACR hand camera register system. With this camera, the printer can easily check the register and give all the settings into the press automatically. And for this setting, we use register marks you can see on the wall screen, dot in a circle. With this measurement tool, this register marks, we have the tolerances under 26 micron. Also, you have in our Ergotronic measurement system, our Ergotronic ICR, integrated camera register system. And with this register system, you can measure the register. In the same step, you control the density or the LRB values. Our Ergotronic color control is an automatic color measuring system for the measurement and control of optical densities, LRB values, and delta E. Connection to color database from our Logotronic Professional. Referencing the Qualitronic color control camera, you can do also with our measurement device here on the table under safe measurement situation. Qualitronic color control is the keyword to jump into the inline measuring and control system.
But before we jump into the Qualitronic color control inline system, I would like to say, Wolfgang, can you demonstrate please shortly how easy the operation of this Ergotronic color control system is?
Dirk, that's a very good idea. Jens, please can you start one measurement run, please? And with this run, we will measure the densities and also the LRB values, because we have inside here a spectrophotometer.
So on the first pass, we are going to measure the density values, and on the second pass, we are measuring the LAB value of each single patch in the color strip.
Yeah, that's correct. Now the second run. We are measuring the color bar, and the color bar can be also on different position on the sheet. Now it's finished, and you can see here on the screen the measurement results. At first, you have the measurement results here for densities. You can see the densities here for each single zone. You can switch it from unit to unit, now the yellow. Then you can switch it to the delta E, because you can check in the same steps the delta E values. And here, if you can show it, Eric, with the camera a little bit more, you can see we have a delta E from 1.6. And if you see the light color and the dark color here in yellow, then you can see what the printer can improve in the combination from this ink and this substrate. It shows us exactly here that we cannot reach a delta E under 1.6.
It's a kind of best match function.
It's definitely a kind of best match. Yeah. And also in one measurement, we have measured also the dot gains. You can go now and see here every dot gains for the 40%, 50% or 80% field. Very simple. You can switch it from ink to ink.
Okay, Wolfgang, you said before we are also going to use our Ergotronic color control system as a reference measurement system. We call it the master measurement system for calibrating frequently our inline system. So let's have a deeper look now into our Qualitronic color control system.
Precision and efficiency with inline measuring systems. You can achieve optimum print results with Koenig and Bauer. How do we minimize the wait for the first good sheet? Ink presettings have already been transferred to the printing units. The goal is to immediately reach target densities in production. A high-resolution 4K inline camera scans each individual sheet in its entirety. Qualitronic color control detects the color bars automatically and then adjusts the ink density. Target values are achieved in record time with the highest accuracy for the fastest possible make-ready and the lowest waste. How do we ensure color stability over the run? Koenig and Bauer is the only manufacturer whose measuring systems scan every single sheet, all while running at printing speeds up to 20,000 sheets per hour. Ink densities are controlled within extremely narrow tolerances for maximum color stability from the first to last sheet. Do you need to produce to a particular print standard? Koenig and Bauer enables you to base color control on all international print standards to meet your exact specifications. How do we guarantee 100% production consistency? An additional inline image inspection function immediately detects any deviations from a reference sheet and displays them on the wall screen of the Ergotronic console for fast analysis by the pressman and the ultimate production quality over the entire length of a job. Measuring systems from Koenig and Bauer set the highest of standards for exceptional print results.
Here, we are on the place to be. Only Koenig and Bauer measurement systems can measure each single, every sheet which is printed in the machine. And the main important advantage is we can measure the sheet when the sheet already got all the colors and all the coatings, because this place is after the last printing or coating unit. So we have here our Qualitronic color control camera. This camera is able to measure the full color bar or the full image at the inspection mode, each single sheet which is passing the lighting area on the last impression cylinder. We have a lighting with a very consistent LED diodes And this enables us to have the right light in the right focus of each single camera system. Beside the Qualitronic color control camera, we have two inspection cameras, 8K high-resolution cameras for realizing a full sheet inspection at a very high resolution. As soon as the printing starts, the color bar is scanned directly in the machine, and we are measuring all parameters related to the machine quality standard, and they are displayed live on the screen or in the protocol. The measurements are used as a basis for the fastest and most dynamic inline color control. So let's talk about the benefits of our measurement systems. So to summarize all the benefits at a glance, we have less make-ready waste, we have shorter make-ready times, we have a constant print quality through all the run, and we are realizing color measuring and quality control with one single complex system. I just mentioned we don't talk only about color measurement or register measurement. We also talk about inspection. So we also realize with the same system an overall quality control in the whole printing process, as PDF check, as production monitoring while the machine is running and producing, and as a sheet inspection with one total system. And what does that mean, Wolfgang?
Qualitronic PDF check. This is production run monitoring on highest level and means three functions. Comparison of the printed sheet with the prepress PDF. That means if the printer starts the production, the make ready, he will stop as a sample one time, and the system is fully automatically comparison between the PDF and the printed sheet in the make ready process. And then the system will create automatically a master sheet, a reference sheet for inspection for the production run. And then we have an inspection from each single sheet between the production, also on high speeds. This is not a problem for the system. Let's summarize the benefits again. 100% production monitoring and detection. Reduction of waste sheets during the process. Higher pile quality. And very important for you is you get a certificate and also reports as a proof of quality for your end customers after the production. The only system on the market which satisfies the strict demands of pharmaceutical industry is our Qualitronic PDF system.
And as we know, the pharmaceutical industry is setting us the highest standard in terms of print quality. So Jens, I would say we talked a lot, and now it's the time to start up the machine again and produce, and finally produce our folding box we have seen here also on the Ergotronic console. And the machine now is speeding up live in this production, and you can watch in real time how fast the machine is running the substrate into the machine. We are able to number each single sheet which is entering the machine, and you can also see how easy and how quickly Jens is setting up the machine in the good sheet production. So Jens, we hear the machine is really jumping up, and we can see here how quick the machine coming into color. You see there the live picture on the wall screen, so Jens can also monitor the sheet from this distance. Is there any kind of failure or any kind of missing stuff in the sheet, or is there a scumming, or whatever can happen, he can also see on the live picture. And you can see on the Qualitronic color control, all colors are already in green. So we are in good sheet production, which allows us to speed up the machine now to 18,000 sheets an hour. Again, because this is our maximum speed. We can run the machine, and the machine, Rapida 145, is usually running in full sheet production. So Wolfgang, I think we said almost valuable and all interesting informations about our measurement systems. We say thank you to you to listen to us. We say thank you for your attention. And we say thank you to the team to this live presentation of our Koenig and Bauer measurement system. And there is still one topic open. This is service and maintenance. See you next week at the same time, at the same place. And at Koenig and Bauer, we are on it.